Welcome to Study Loop.
So the formula for stored energy is PE, which is the potential energy, or the stored energy for our case, is half of C net, or the combination of or the net capacitance of different combinations, times V squared, where V is the voltage provided. Now let's do the problem part by part. So for part A, this is the configuration. So we see that C1 and C2 and C3 is in parallel connection with C1. So that means C net is going to be C1 plus C2 plus C3 reciprocal. Now, since they're all the same, they're all 25.4 microfarad. If we put the numbers and solve for it, we get 25.4 microfarad plus 2 over 25.4 microfarad, reciprocal of that, and that gives us 38.1 microfarad. So that's the combined capacitance of this configuration. So we know this, and we know the voltage that's provided, which is 10 volts. So that means our stored energy is going to be half of 38.1 microfarad times 10 squared. And that, so let's make a partition over here. Okay, so that is going to be 1.905 times 10 to the power minus 3 joules. Now remember, while doing this calculation, make sure to convert this into farads, and to do so you have to multiply this number by 10 to the power minus 6 so that it converts to farad, and then you can do this calculation so that you get an unit of joules. Okay, so for part B, uh, all the capacitors are in series connection. So that means the net capacitance will be 1 over C1 plus 1 over C2 plus 1 over C3, inverse of that. And again, if we plug in all the values, we get our capacitance as 8.467 microfarad. And our potential energy is going to be C net. Our potential is going to be half of C net V squared. So that's going to be 8.467 times 10 to the power minus 6 farads multiplied. There's a half sign in front. Let me see if I did that. Yeah, that's correct. And then 10.0 whole squared. So I think I missed a square here. No, I did that. Okay, great. Yeah, so that comes out as 4.24 times 10 to the power minus 4 joules. Okay, so now yeah, so now all the capacitors are in parallel. So for parallel connection, it's just a simple addition of the capacitors to get the net. So C net will be C1 plus C2 plus C3, and that's going to be 76.2 microfarad. And again, if we calculate the potential energy, that's going to be C half of C net V squared. So I'll let you plug in the values and I'll give you the final answer. That's going to be 3.81 times 10 to the power minus 4 joules. Thank you.